Dude, why is it so blurry? Jake, why is it so blurry?
What?
Why is it so blurry?
Why is it so blurry?
That's why. Holy shit. Oh, you didn't figure out how to kick control it when it's in the air. Oh, careful, dude. Oh, oh, oh! Still running. I missed that on camera though. That front tire's bent. Something wrong with that front left. Oh, came off the rim. Tire came off the rim.
No.
Here, let's pull a cord real quick. Pull a cord. Pull a cord. Pull a cord. Damn it.
Last one, the cord, pins.
Oh shit, I'm still recording.
Yeah. Oh, screw you.
What's wrong? So what broke?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, it is a screw. Okay. Pull the cover off. Switch. Got gas in it?
Yeah.
It took a tumble.